Okay, unboxing my first fursuit. I got this from Neon Does Art on Etsy, and they did a really cool design for a frog-fox hybrid that they were calling Lily. I think I'm planning on keeping the name. It was really cool because they did, not only did they have the partial suit up, but they also had a design. So you got a character reference sheet with it too. I am super paranoid about cutting something wrong. She's pretty and I don't want to mess her up. This is the first time I've ever gotten a suit from anywhere, so, oh, cute. It's got a little, oh, I don't know if you can see it, a little guy that says thank you on it. That's adorable. Okay. So this should be, like I said, it's a partial, so this should be the head and paws and the tail. She's got a cute little nubby tail. Oh, there she is. Oh my goodness, there's her little nose. I'm so excited. Oh gosh. Oh, she's so cute. Alright, let's see. Take our paper off of her. Oh, she's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's so cute. Alright, so we've got her little tail nubbin. She's got the dark green, the light, and the white. Oh, that is so cute. And I think, oh goodness. Come on, miss. Oh, her ears are way more substantial than I was expecting. Look at this girl. She's so cute. The lighting in my house sucks, but she is so cute. Oh, she's got the little teeth. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. Let's see. Oh, it looks like everything else is inside. Oh, good. Oh, I forgot she comes with tones. Okay. She is a frog fox. I've been calling her a frox. So let's see. That should be everything out of the inside. So we will put her right there. And we've got little froggy hand paws. Oh, I'm gonna have to figure out how I want to put my hands into these. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ah. All right, so we've got, and they're fully lined, which is really, really nice. I don't think you can see because the lighting in my house sucks. Then we've got, oh, there's two. I forgot there was two. They're magnetic, and it's little posable plush tongues. That is so cute. Oh, that's so sweet. And then they put, I guess, yep, that's for the magnets, for the tongues. And then they put some little treats and a little thank you card. Like I said, this was by Neon Does Art, and I will post some pictures wearing her, but oh my goodness, this girl is absolutely gorgeous, and the lighting in my house does not do her justice at all.